I'm Alice Gordon from New Orleans, Louisiana. How you doing, Pig? Let's see. Well, we're in New Orleans and it's a beautiful city and it's wonderful. Yeah, of course. Okay, this is terrible. Please stop now. It's Tuesday night in the French Quarter, which means it's relatively quiet, but this block is relatively quiet anyway. Even though they're like 2 blocks away, it gets crazy and it's basically Bourbon Street. It's kind of weird. You get a lot of randoms walking through the neighborhood, just kind of asking us weird questions about, is this the way to Bourbon Street? But no, I'm going to show you right now what the courtyard looks like. This is the courtyard that opens right up, right in here. Woo! Our night blooming jasmine, yay! Fairy lights, woo! Yay! So, you see this space right here used to be covered in trash when I moved in, because the downstairs neighbor was a total hoarder and he was a little bit weird. And now everybody who lives in the house is great. We all get along great, and everything's kind of great. So Emily and I have pulled a bunch of banana trees out. This is our big fig tree over here. We just made some preserves from that a couple of days ago. And we've got a little citrus that's coming up. There's little citrus popping off of the tree. We're going to get some fruit later on this year. It's going to be exciting.
Assorted citrus, because we don't know what it is.
We still don't know what it is. It's just something like assorted citrus. So yeah, this is basically a typical Tuesday night out here. It's kind of cool and breezy. It's nice, you know. We like to kick back. We like to have a little wine and some snacks and stuff like that. In general, let's see. I guess in the next couple of months, this city's going to be pretty poppin'. Next couple of weeks. We have a lot of festivals that happen on a just weekly basis. And there's so many events coming up. There's a lot of art events, and there's a lot of just like local stuff happening. What, do you remember what else is happening aside from like Dirty Linen and White Linen Night?
Satchmo Fest?
There's Satchmo Summer Fest, which is like a whole bunch of bands on stage.
Food.
Like local bands and local food that is delicious. There's not going to be a bad meal in the city. There's tons of things happening all the time. There's tons of people that we know all over the city who are pretty much ready and willing to take you for a good time somewhere. I just wanted to say how excited we are to be hosting TIG in the city. I think it's kind of great that we're getting some really excellent comedy acts coming to New Orleans.
And that you love her.
Yes, absolutely. TIG is the greatest. She's like the funniest. Seriously, it's true. But the reality is that we're just really, really happy and excited to host somebody who's so awesome in our fair city. So we're looking forward to seeing you. We hope that you like us, and we hope that you love the idea of coming down here and having a great little comedy show in our backyard with a few people, maybe more like 15 or 20 or something like that. It could be fun. We'll make it like a cocktail hour with like people and drinks
and boxes of wine.
And boxes of wine, which we are absolutely all about.
We make it fancy.
We do. We keep it as classy as we can. Okay, girl. Woo.
We hope to see you soon.
Yep, hoping to see you really soon. Thanks so much, y'all, for this opportunity. Take care. Hope to see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.
It won't stop.
Oh, God. It will never stop.